Everybody, my name is Santiago Garcia and I'm gonna show you my tic-tac-toe approach for the Major League Hacking 2021 for the local hack day. So I did a Python object-oriented programming approach for the tic-tac-toe game. I did a main class. I can show you the public repository for this project, so don't worry for copying the text. I just wanna show you. Here I hard-coded some real tests in the terminal. Everything was fine. Then I did a single script for showing and testing it in a dynamic way. So as you can see, it starts being updated and the results change dynamically. So look here, the winner is one. Then I worked in the main graphical user interface and I built it on top of Tic-Tac-Toe and a couple of important libraries for the project. It's important to notice that I didn't stop here. When you see the main project, you can see that it has a pretty interface. It has a couple of frames, and when you click the buttons, you can see that you can play tic-tac-toe in a really amazing way. So here, the winner is player one, but we can repeat it and let's make the player two win. So what happens if here the player two wins? It goes red. And what happens if there is actually like a tie? What would it happen? Oh, here I missed out, but let's try to get a tie. So it was a tie, you should rematch. How did I actually do it? I also used a library called PyInstaller to make the executable file, and this was the result, and I hope you like it.